Yo, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we got my 2023 Yamaha R7 here today. We're going to be doing a Rizoma mirror install. We already have Rizomas on here, but I actually broke one of them, so I had to go ahead and order a whole new pair because they don't sell replacements. So we're going to be going ahead and throwing on a new pair. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So as you can see here, this Rizoma's good shape. So I have this now as a replacement if I do break the right one. Right here, as you can see, this left one got bent right here. This completely shattered. For the meantime, I went ahead and I removed all the glass just so it wouldn't go flying off and cut me. But it's really loose and just flops around, so I had to tape it down as well for when I rode. But we got the new Rizomas here. Let's go ahead and unbox them. New Rizomas. Boom. So I've had these in my room for about a week. I was just waiting for a day it wasn't raining so I can come out here and film it. That's what they look like. They're really stiff when you first get them, so you gotta like break them in a little bit, but it's a pretty easy install. All you need is a 10mm. So let's go ahead and throw these bad boys on. So pretty easy. All you have are these two bolts down here which need a 10mm. Break those loose, and then super easy, just unscrew it, break loose, boom, drop the bolt. But so here we have those two bolts here, and it's the same thing with the stock mirrors. It's just the two bolts and they come out, and then with that the mirror just comes off. Perfect. We can go ahead, get rid of that because it is broken. So let's do the same thing on this side, and then we'll throw on the new ones. Alright, so now that we have all that removed, you can go ahead and clean this off. You don't have to, but we're gonna go ahead and install the new ones. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with this right side here. Just throw it on. Get these bolts hand screwed on, and then we'll tighten them down. Super easy. Boom, once you got both those bolts on there, tighten them down. Not too tight. You don't want to crack your fairing. Just tight enough to where the mirror isn't going anywhere. If you want to, especially with Rizomas, if you want to glue them down, you can, just so anyone can't take off the bolt, because these are pretty expensive mirrors and you don't want these getting stolen. Same thing over here on this side. Boom, there you go. Once those are on, you can go ahead, the satisfying part, boom. Same thing on the other side. You might need a little bit of glass cleaner because some residue, but all in all, there you have it. It's the Yamaha R7 with the Rizomas installed. Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comment. Are the mirrors worth $500, or would you just rather go with knockoffs on Amazon? Me personally, I mean, if you're gonna build a bike, might as well get all the good stuff, you know. But go ahead, drop a like, drop a sub if you guys enjoy the video. I will see you guys next time.